What's up, guys and girls? Welcome back to another video of my channel. As you can see the car back here real quick. Man, it's a sunny day. It feels so good outside. If only if I was able to drive this right now, man, it would feel so good right now to drive. But now, since I haven't told you on my first video, I'm Oscar. I was getting a little bit ahead of myself. For today's video, I'm gonna do a little DIY, a little do-it-yourself. I'm gonna polish this crank. It ain't spun or scuffed really bad. I'm gonna give it a little sanding and then polish. I'm gonna show you how to do it. You know, if it's really bad, you know, it would be better for you to take it to a machine shop so they could grind it down and balance it. But this is for, like, if it ain't too bad of like a scuff or like you can see like lightly lining, then you know this is the way to go if you're trying to be on a budget. But if it's really bad, then yeah, just take it to a machine shop and they should do it for you. But yeah, recently I've ordered a couple of parts. I found a camshaft I needed. I was trying to keep it stock, and a whole rebuilt gasket kit and a few little tools that I'm gonna need. But yeah, let's get on with the polishing and I'll let you know how it goes. Alright guys, so you will need your crankshaft as so. Sanding paper, I got 600. You can go with 500 if you want. Finish it off with 15. I was looking for 1,000 grit. And then you got your sandpaper. 15 will be alright, I guess. I mean, I was looking for 1,000. They didn't have it at the time, so I went with this instead. Then you would need, you know, WD-40. Then you will need your metal polisher. And then a metal polisher. There's quite a few different ones. This is the only one I could find that was like a cream. Everything else was like really runny, liquidy. So I went ahead and got this fiber rag. I mean, any rag could work. I choose to get this instead. You will have to cut this. Then, you know, some shoelaces. And then a refreshment. As you can see, there's a little bit light scratches. I mean, they're not actually that rough. You really can't hear it, you know. Barely on this one. Just a little stain here, but I'm gonna just sand it down a little bit, smooth it out, and then polish it. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna get this out real quick. Alright, so you get your 600, 500, whatever you prefer, and try to cut it. You can measure it, but you want to make sure to get it as close as you can tight. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this. So I went ahead and cut it. You know, you're just gonna fit it. You're pretty much gonna fit it around the journal, like so, just like that. So you get your WD-40, spray it a little. Then you will want to spray your sandpaper. And wrap it around the journal. Get your shoelace. Loop it like 2 or 3 times. Once you have it looped, so it will look like something like this. So what you want to do is go back and forth, give it a good tension, and then just don't do it for too long, unless you got like some good scuffs. Then go for at least a few minutes. It looks like a little bit more shinier. Got that much stains. So I'm gonna get the 1500 grit, smooth it out even more, and you're gonna do the same thing you did the first time. All right. You got your 1000 grit, 1500. And like so, the same thing you did the first time. Alright, well, I did a few passes with the finishing grit, and you'll see a little bit of, you know, the little small sanding it's doing. It's time to give it the journal a polish. Alright, right now it looks a little bit cleaner, looks a little smoother, flat. You really can't see like the bearing wear. I mean, it's not like it's like, I mean, it looks pretty clean, but once you're done with your smoothing on your 1000 grit, you know, just clean it off a little bit. All right, now you'll get your metal polisher, well, your metal polish. Get some like so on your finger. Just a little rub on there, not too heavy, just a little rub. So this is what I got. Same way with the shoelace. Just want to go back and forth. Once you see it turning black, you know the cream's doing its thing. So you just sit there and keep doing what you got to do. So I'll get my cream, do the same. And you go for it. It looks really shiny as of right now. You know, if you want to, you could go for a third pass, but it don't look too bad for right now, and I'm satisfied, so I'm gonna keep that one looking like that. It looks really shiny. Looks really good. That versus that, you see the little stains, spirals. Not so bad. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up and do the rest, and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, there you go. A little do-it-yourself. It's not that bad. I like it. Came out really good. There you go, guys. A little do-it-yourself. I gotta say, I'm a little impressed. It actually came out pretty good, you know. It really wasn't that bad on the scuff. It wasn't spun really. All the journals are clean. The crank looks good. Pretty much I gotta wait for all the parts to come in. I'm thinking about getting some new piston heads, and you know, I'm trying to get them OEM. Along down the road, we'll see what else I can get. But thank y'all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If y'all can, you know, you can do it yourself too. So I'm glad that I got that out the way. You know, now some more steps I gotta get. But as of right now, wait till the parts come in. Think of another content to do. I'm probably gonna clean the engine bay or the inside, whichever comes first. But yeah, like I said, thank y'all. Be blessed, don't be stressed. Peace.